I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery over 50% and a strong Wi-Fi. Sign into the same Google account so cloud backups match. If you plan a local restore, enable USB debugging in developer options and connect the phone with the original cable. Once done, open Settings, go to System right arrow Backup, and tap Restore or Restore Data. Make sure you choose the correct device and backup timestamp so you don't overwrite the wrong files. You now execute the restore. Choose the cloud backup timestamp that matches what you need, or browse to the local image if you copied one via USB. Select Items, Apps, Contacts, SMS, Photos, and App Data. Uncheck anything you don't want. Tap Restore and let the system download and reapply settings. This can take minutes to hours. Make sure to keep the device awake, plugged into power, and on Wi-Fi because interruptions can corrupt partial restores. Finish by verifying everything. Open Contacts, Messages, Photos, and the apps that carry important data to confirm restoration. Reinstall any missing apps from the Play Store and sign back into accounts so synced data repopulates. If something is missing or the restore fails, try another backup timestamp or use Android file transfer or a dedicated recovery tool to pull files manually. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Play Store cache and reboot before retrying a failed app restore to resolve credential or download conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.